On 14th October, during India-Singapore match, as Honorable Minister Digambar Kamath, he has put a resolution to have a name on the first stand of a ex-sports minister who built this stadium, Mondo Cruz. So that day, we are having during before the match start, 6:30, our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa and our Minister, Sports Minister, Minister PWD, local MLA, Vijay Sardesai, everyone will be there to unveil the stand, a name of Honorable ex Mondo Cruz. And this is a very pride moment for entire football fraternity and Goans. It was a pending so many years as Digambar Kamath, he has put a resolution long back in assembly. So now it is a fulfilling आणि ही खुशीची खबर. सो येता ते 14 तारखेर आमचे सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी मॅचीचे टायमार हे अनवील करता तेन्ना हॉनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर आसतलो, बाकीचे सगळे डिग्निटरी आसतले.
It's a great honor and privilege for all the members of the GFA and entire Goa कित्याक आमकां एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळ्ळ्या की आमचो आदलो बाणावलेचो आमदार स्वर्गीय बाब फ्रांसीस मॉन्तेक्रूज हेजें नांव आमकां आमच्या वेस्ट स्टँडाक दिवचें आसा. देव बरें करूं म्हणटा सरकाराक, टू ऑनरेबल CM Dr. Pramod Sawant and the entire government who has helped GFA fulfill one of its visions to honor a personality who has left an imprint for football in Goa. The Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium हो पळय आमकां तेजे पळय टर्मान करून दिल्लो. आयज इंटरनॅशनल नॅशनल आमचे फुटबॉल परजोरीत आसा हिंगा. आमी आमचो स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर दिगंबर कामत तेजेय आभारी कित्याक तेज्याय आदारान आमी आयज हें आमचें विजन एनकम्प्लीश करपा पावलें. आनी हांव मागतां 14 तारखेर ऑक्टोबराचेर जेन्ना इंडिया सिंगापूरचेर बाराबर खेळटली